Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme, and the name of the rhyme is An Elephant. An Elephant. So, children, have you seen an elephant? See, this is the elephant. Okay, see, elephant has two eyes, tiny eyes. How many? One, two. Yes. Then two ears. Yes. One, two. Yes. See, look at the ears. They are like a fan. Yes or no? And head. Then this is what? Trunk. Yes, trunk means nose. Yes, nose of elephant. That is called trunk. Yes, see how it is? It is long. Yes, then it has two tusks. Yes, one, two. And how many trunk? One trunk. Yes, and a huge body. Yes or no? Then a short tail. Yes. Now tell me, children, how many legs do elephant has? See, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So elephant has 4 legs. Correct. Now, let's recite the rhyme. Yes. So, the title of the rhyme is An Elephant. An Elephant. Yes. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Okay, so children, we are going to recite this rhyme once again with the action. Okay, so let's start. So you will also repeat after me. Okay, children? Say with me now. The title of the rhyme is An Elephant. Yes. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Very good. So children, let's recite the rhyme once again. Okay? An elephant. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Okay, very good. So now children, let's recap. Now tell me, children, what is the title of the rhyme? Yes, the title of the rhyme is An Elephant. An Elephant. Very good. Now, how many trunks does elephant have? Correct. Elephant has one trunk. Elephant has one trunk. Very good. And how many tusks does elephant have? How many tusks does elephant have? Correct. Elephant has two tusks. Elephant has two tusks. Very good. Now it's an activity time. See, we are going to make a face of elephant. Okay. So for this, we will require scissor, Fevicol, cotton, grey color paint, one paper plate. Okay. See children, there are two circles on the paper plate. This is inner circle and this is outer circle, right? See, I don't have paper plate, so I have taken a circle of plain paper, right? See, here also you can see two circles. I have drawn two circles, inner circle and outer circle. Okay. See, and these are the dotted lines. So ask your mama to draw the dotted lines like this on the paper plate, right? So we are going to cut this upper portion and the lower portion later on, right children? Sketch pen also, black sketch pen. Then a rectangular long strip, okay, see like this, for a trunk, right? So now children, let's see how to make the face of elephant. So come with me. Now let's start with the activity. Now children, first you will take paper plate, okay? See, as I have told you, I don't have paper plate, so I have taken the paper, plain paper with circle shape, okay? And see, here you can see I have drawn two circles, 1 and 2, that is inner circle and outer circle, as you can see in the paper plate also, right? Yes. Now these are the dotted line, right? Now we are going to cut this part. See, I have written here upper part and this down part, right? We are going to cut this two part from the dotted line, okay? So let's start. I'll show you how to cut it. See children, you're not going to cut, okay? You will ask your mama to cut the paper plate with the scissor. Okay children, you are not going to handle the scissor in your hand, right? Ask your mama to cut. See, in this way, from the dotted line you have to cut like this. Now we are going to cut from here. Yes. Now cut from this dotted line, okay? See, this part we have cut. Now we are going to cut the down part, right? See children, okay, it should look like this. This is the face of elephant. We see here we have 2 ears of elephant. Say how the ear looks. Ears looks like a fan. Yes or no? Yes. Now what we are going to do, see we have taken this rectangle shape long strip. Yes or no? So we are going to stick this strip in the middle of like this. Okay, in the middle of the face, little down, right, for the trunk. Okay, yes. So first we'll make a trunk. So how to make a trunk, I'll show you now. Now what you are going to do, you will fold this rectangle strip and join this point to this point. Yes, see, like this. Fold it properly. Now again fold. Handkerchief fold. Yes, press it. Again one more fold. Right? Now we'll do one more fold. Yes. Now open this slowly. Yes. See, we'll get this foldings, small foldings. Okay. So this is the trunk of elephant. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick this trunk on the elephant's face. Apply Fevicol on this, okay? Yes, now stick here. In the center. Yes. Right? So this is the trunk of, see, elephant, long trunk. Yes or no? Yes. Now what is missing now? Yes, eyes. So let's draw eyes. With the help of sketch pen. Yes. Small eyebrows. Yes. See? Our elephant is ready. Okay? But something is missing. What is missing? What is the color of elephant? Yes, grey color. So, we are going to color elephant's face with the grey color. Okay? With the help of cotton. Yes, we are going to do cotton dabbing. Right? So take a piece of cotton, dip into the grey color paint and dab it gently. Okay, see like this. Gently you have to do, okay? See, in this way you will dab grey color on the face of elephant, okay? See like this. This is the long trunk of elephant. Yes? So our elephant is ready. See, this is the face of elephant. So I hope children you will also try this elephant's face at home with your mama. Okay? So children, you will learn this rhyme at home with action. Okay? Thank you.